Every night at exactly 3 a.m., Aarav noticed something strange. His girlfriend, Meera, was always online. At first, he didn't think much of it. Maybe she couldn't sleep, maybe she was talking to a friend. But one night, Aarav sent her a simple message. "Are you awake?" She saw the message, but she didn't reply. And that's when Aarav started wondering, who was she talking to at 3 a.m. every night? The next morning, Aarav casually asked her, "You were online last night, weren't you?" Meera looked at him for a second, then she smiled. "Yeah, I couldn't sleep." Aarav nodded, but something didn't feel right, because this had been happening for weeks, every night, at exactly 3 o'clock, and whenever Aarav asked her about it, she always gave him the same answer, "I couldn't sleep." Aarav tried to ignore it, he really did, but the questions kept growing inside his mind. Who was she talking to? Why only at 3 a.m.? Why did she never tell him? One evening, Aarav asked her, "Is everything okay?" Meera looked surprised. "Of course. Why? Nothing. You just seem different lately." For a moment, Meera said nothing. Then she smiled again. "I'm fine, Aarav." But that night, Aarav couldn't sleep.
That night, Aarav made a decision. He would stay awake. He wanted to know the truth. He put his phone beside his pillow. And waited. 2:30 o'clock at night. Nothing. 2:45 o'clock at night. Still nothing. 2:55 o'clock at night. Aarav was almost falling asleep. Then, 3 o'clock at night. His phone lit up. Meera was online. Aarav's heart started beating faster. He watched the screen. Meera was typing. He waited. 5 seconds. 10 seconds. Then, a message appeared. "I miss you." Aarav froze. He couldn't believe what he was seeing. He had a terrible thought. Maybe Meera was talking to someone else. Someone she didn't want him to know about. Aarav couldn't sleep anymore. The next morning, he wanted answers. But he didn't want to accuse Meera without knowing the truth. So he waited. And that night, it happened again. 3 a.m. Meera was online. Aarav quietly looked at her phone. And then, he saw the name. Mom. Aarav froze. Meera's mother had passed away 2 years ago. Confused, Aarav opened the conversation. And what he saw next changed everything. There were hundreds of messages. Meera had been texting her mother's old number. Every night, at exactly 3 a.m. She knew her mother would never reply. But she kept sending messages anyway. "I got a new job today, Mom. I wish you were here. I miss you. I don't know if I'm doing okay." Aarav's eyes filled with tears. Suddenly, everything made sense. Meera wasn't hiding another man. She was hiding her pain. The next morning, Aarav didn't ask Meera any questions. He didn't say, "Why didn't you tell me?" He didn't say, "Why were you hiding this?" He simply walked toward her. And hugged her. Meera didn't understand at first. Then she started crying. She cried like someone who had been waiting for years to finally let everything out. And Aarav held her tighter. That day, Aarav realized something. Sometimes, people don't need advice. They don't need solutions. They don't need someone to tell them, everything will be fine. Sometimes, they just need someone who understands their silence. That night, at 3 a.m., Meera was online again. But this time, she wasn't alone. Aarav was sitting beside her. And together, they sent one final message. "We miss you, Mom." We often think we know what someone is going through. But the truth is, we only see what they choose to show us. So before you judge someone, ask them if they're okay. And if they don't want to talk, don't force them. Just stay. Because sometimes, your presence can mean more than 1,000 words. And maybe, that's what love really is.
And now, let's learn 5 useful English phrases from today's story. Number 1, I couldn't sleep. It means, मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी. For example, I couldn't sleep last night. Number 2, something didn't feel right. It means कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा था. Number 3, are you awake? It means क्या तुम जाग रहे हो? Number 4, I finally understood. It means मैं आखिरकार समझ गया. And number 5, I miss you. It means मुझे तुम्हारी याद आती है. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new in English, subscribe to English Lessons. Here, we don't just learn English. We feel it.